to our parents. We cannot express how grateful we are for all of the hard work and sleepless nights that you put in to make this weekend possible. It is more than we could have ever asked for. Over the past 30 years, you have made incredible sacrifices in order for us to live carefree and privileged lives. Please know that we will always strive to lead a life that honors those sacrifices, one based in humility, respect, and a sense of purpose that is greater than ourselves. Cheers, everybody, and thank you so much.
Years ago, it was Labor Day, and Nikita brought Samir to her home Saturday night, and so Sushma and I said, boy, there must be something serious. You know, she has never done this before. So anyway, we went out to dinner and so on, and came back late from Rasika, one of the famous Indian restaurants in Washington area. So he said, well, Mom and Uncle and Auntie at that time, he said, I wanna talk to you. And I said, okay. So Sushma, we were looking at it, what's going on here? And he said, I love your daughter, and I want to propose to her. So would you please allow me to marry her? Now, this was, that broke our heart, you know, just to ask something like that. That was just great. That was just great. We really thought, this was a great guy she met, and we said, okay.
brings me great joy that Samir has found a partner with whom he shares a sense of humor that will doubtlessly see them through the ups and downs of the life they will build together. Samir and Nikita, I am so happy to see the two of you together and to imagine just how much joy awaits you. With my wealth of 8 months experience as a married man, my advice is to take absolutely none of your time together for granted. Always remember that you're both on the same team. It is incredibly powerful and liberating to know that someone will have your back no matter what.